How is it going? How is it going? Smart, yeah, and I'm back on your screen, right? So this is Dogecoin price chart, and I'm on monthly time frame, right? I want to show you how you can easily spot if a cryptocurrency is about to pump, right? That's exactly what I'm about to show you right now. It will be of your own interest to stick with me, right? Smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not done that yet. Definitely do all of those good stuff, and let's get into the video right now. So here is how you can use what price chart. So any asset that has price chart, you can easily use that to know if a asset is about to pump, right? I'm going to show you crystal clear right here. And I've talked about market psychology before, right? Wall Street market psychology. So it's something that I've talked about before. I don't know if I will go over it again. If you want me to go over it again, just indicate that in the comment section. Very, very important. So this right here that you see Dogecoin monthly time frame is depicting what market psychology, clear market psychology, right? And this is exactly what you want to see. So this is what is called the depression zone, right? This is called the anger, right? So this is anger zone, and this is called the depression zone. Very, very important. And if you understand, the psychology of the market, you will not be on the good side, most part of the time. And you can easily identify this on any price chart right here. And I'm using Dogecoin as instance, right? Let's just use Dogecoin as instance. So I'm on monthly time frame right here. Remember when I talked about, the psychology of the market, I don't know if you can go watch that. This is what the anger zone right here. This is called what? Depression zone, right? So this is this is called the depression zone right here, right? And just go watch that video, right? But if you want me to go over it again, just your comment in the comment section. Very, very important. So let me just delete all of this. So I'm doing this from a higher time frame approach. Don't ever go to the lower time frame to do all of this. Always use a higher time frame, right? To do all of this. Right. So let me just explain market psychology, right? Using price action. You can see that price is pretty much retracing. We have been on an upward trend before, right? This is a clear upward trend scenario. I know a lot of people are going to say like this is a bearish trend. Like, don't worry, right? Let me show you something very incredible because if you don't understand this, right? So in a clear upward trend, you want to see price making series of higher highs and higher lows. Don't worry, we are going to come back to the monthly time frame, but let me just show you something from monthly time frame approach right here. So this is exactly what you want to see. So monthly time frame kind of like depicts so many stuff. Right. So in a clear upward trend, you want to see price making series of higher highs, what higher lows, what and higher high. Can you see that right there? Exactly the point. So for this upward trend right now to be invalidated, price needs to come break below the zone right here, which happens to be the recent higher low. You understand what I'm saying, right? I'm using the weekly time frame to analyze this, right? So let's just delete this. So that is a clear upward trend. So you agree with me that Dogecoin is still in the upward trend, right? And most of the time, this is exactly what you want to see. It's exactly what you want to see, right? Most of the time, I've talked about this before on this YouTube channel, that if we see a coin pump, let's say get listed, you get deployed to the blockchain ecosystem and you see what a very massive pump to the upside. Even if the first, retracement is not that much, the second retracement is going to be massive, right? Massive, like let's say 90% or 95% of that. And that's exactly what happened here. This pump, right? Is like 100% retracement from this zone right here. Can you see that? From this zone, 100% retracement back towards the higher low that got created. So this is equal low right here. This is equal low right here, and we are still in the upward trend. That's exactly what you want to see. Is a clear case of what market psychology, right, coming into play. Right, let me just show you something very, very important. For Dogecoin to go bullish, something needs to happen. Let me go to the monthly time frame. Let me show you something. All right, something needs to happen. Monthly time frame, not daily time frame, right? Okay, look at this right here. We've pretty much formed double top right here, then we pretty much tanked to the downside, break up the neckline right here, then we traded to the downside. And this is exactly what Dogecoin is forming on a higher time frame. Dogecoin pretty much formed what? Equal low right here, right? equal low, right? Yeah, this is a clear double bottom scenario. What is price what telling you as touching all of this, right? And in if you want to really spot out all of this can happen, most of the time, this is the area that people are looking to, investors are looking to pump in a lot of money because they have seen from a market psychology standpoint that this is happens to be the anchor zone right here. Remember, this is the anger zone, this is the depression zone, and this is the zone that investors are pumping a lot of money. And most of the time, right, price keep going higher, creating what series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? From what the depression zone, right? That's exactly what you want to know, right? And it must, purely all these things right here, it must align with what pure price action, and that is the area that there is not much liquidity, as if nothing is happening to that asset, right? And this is exactly what you want to see. So it forms like what a cup and handle chart pattern, right? You can pretty much backtest this for different cryptocurrencies, right? You can pretty much backtest this. So it's like a cup and handle chart pattern, right? That mostly forms, right? So this is exactly what you want to see. So a period of what consolidation. This is what a massive period of consolidation. We are talking about months of trading right here. It's like more than what 1 year of trading. So price has been consolidating. And just so you know, there is no breakup structure, right? So from a higher time frame approach, you can see that this happens to be what the recent higher low that was created right here. And if you drag it to this thing, right, support and resistance zone, can you see that this is the neckline, right? A break of the neckline, then we pretty much straight to the downside. And this what price came to what retest the neckline again. This is the anger zone right here. We're going to think the price is about to go bullish again. You saw what happened, right? Price tanked to the downside again, and we have been on this depression zone for a very, very long time, right here. And here is what is going to happen. Let's go to the lower time frame here. You can pretty much backtest, this right here. It happens a lot. If you've been in the game for some time, happens a lot. Let me just right. So no structure was not broken. Remember this level that I pretty much talked about, right? Straight to this downside, form double bottom ready, 7 triple bottom right, a pump to the upside, we still came back again, consolidate. This is exactly what you want to see, right? Consolidate. We need to see a clear break of structure, right here. We need to see clear break of structure, right? Price was invalidated here, but look at something that people don't know, right? Look at something that people don't know, and this is what they are not going to tell you. All right, remember there was a structure break right here, right? Remember there was a structure break. Well, can you see what price pretty much did? Came down again, came down, refused to go create a high right here. Can you see that? Right, so even if we had a structure break, right, we were supposed to go create a high for us to really confirm what the bullish trend. Even if this structure right here, and remember this was, price was creating speeds of lower highs, one lower low, lower high, lower low right here, another lower high, and price created equal low. Normally we're supposed to go create what, a lower low right here, but that did not happen. We pretty much formed a double bottom, and price pretty much invalidated this trend right now. And just so you know, people are going to think that price is about to go bullish right here. Can you see what happened? Break of structure right here. This higher low was invalidated, and can you see price traded down again below this zone? And this pump right that you see right here, let me show you this. And this is what people don't know, right? So this pump that you see right here, weekly candle close, you can see that price did not come to form a higher high. It pretty much invalidates all of this move, right? Normally you're supposed to go create a higher high, right? Remember, this is a higher high, right? This trend has been invalidated already. A higher high. Price is supposed to go create a higher high from this move up, but that did not happen. When we close back into the zone again, can you see what price did again? Can you see price was about to go bullish again, right? From this zone, it didn't happen, right? Tank to the downside, still that zone has been consolidating. So we have been here for a very, very long time. So this is a significant zone that you should really, really take note of, right? That's why you can see that price is currently reacting to that zone again. Can you see the current price, right? This is pure price action. If you don't know what you're doing, you are going to be losing, right? You are going to be losing, you are going to be losing, you are going to be losing, right? So we've had a trend line break here already, just so you know, we had a trend line break already, and we pretty much invalidated this bearish momentum right here, this thing that formed right here. Let me show you something. Normally, I'm not supposed to trade trend line like that. I'm not trying to show you something, right? This bearish trend has been invalidated, and we're broken above the zone again. This higher low that was created. Can you see that right there? Pretty much invalidated. It's what a bullish candle closed below the zone, and we are coming to retest that zone again. So what we need to see right now is a bullish price action to the upside, right? A bullish price action to the upside. So if price is about to go bullish, from look at what price would do, right? Price will need to come close above this level right here, right? Pretty much invalidate all of this downward move that happened, right? So this is the short-term structure break, and this happens to be the medium-term structure break. The medium-term structure break is a game changer right here. Medium-term structure break. So we need to come create a higher high right here, right? Then a retest of this zone when we come to the upside. Then you know that Dogecoin is bullish if we break past, 15-cent zone, right? If we break past this 15-cent zone, right, is a zone right here, it's not an area, then you know that Dogecoin is officially bullish. That's exactly what you have to understand. So these things are simple if you know how to, kind of like interpret price. So I pretty much use the chart to show you how cryptocurrencies, what how stocks and other asset pumps right in the market. So this is pretty simple if you know what you're doing, and if you don't know how all of these things work, and if you want to learn how all of this real time, you can join the academy, right? All the links are in the video description, so do it to check it out, and I will see you there. Peace out, and stay safe out there.